Hi, my name is Lacey McCandless, and this is my How-To Teacher video over Animaker.com. The intended audience for this video is teachers seeking to engage students during asynchronous learning time, utilizing resources that didn't previously exist. Animaker is a robust digital media creation tool offering teachers the opportunity to make informative videos that students can then engage with at their own time and on their own pace. The reason that I have selected Animaker is because there's a goal in Round Rock ISD to reach students with engaging and informative lessons when and where they learn. And the nice thing about Animaker is that you can develop educational videos that didn't previously exist over topics which may not be commonly covered in animated films. I'm going to show you a very quick step-by-step demonstration on how to create an Animaker video. I've only ever created one Animaker video, as I've only recently discovered this site, so let's take a look at my video at this time. This is the dashboard. I'm going to go to My Videos. These are my projects, and this is my how-to video that I created for Fort Hays State University during one of my courses. Now that the video has loaded, I created the layout. You can see that each layout has a wide variety of options. You can choose characters to integrate, you can add text, you can play through the individual scenes or through the entire video. To add a new scene, you come over here to the sidebar and you add a new scene here. There's a wide variety of tools that you can add, including characters, objects, like shapes or office supplies, text in a variety of formats. You can add backgrounds. If you would like to add images from the internet, you can do that. If you would like to incorporate actually moving videos, that's an option. You can create music or a sound bar to go on the bottom, and transitions exist between individual scenes. Let's check this scene here. The scene is going to rasterize, and it's going to play through. That's my very first scene, and then it would naturally transition to the second scene of my particular production, where we can see my character continue to explain a concept. Each of these pieces, the circle, the text, the background, and the character, can be customized to cover whatever topic that you would like. If this style is too cartoonish, there's always actual video that you can utilize instead, so that a more realistic or more authentic or older appealing video could be generated for high school students or children of any age. Thank you so much. I would like to mention briefly that this video covers the ISTE Standard for Education Leaders 4B to ensure resources for supporting learning are sufficient and scalable. This is going to be scalable for students of all ages. And 5D to develop skills needed to lead and promote a mindset of empowerment. Teachers can create video that is customized to their students, and they can do it successfully using Animaker.com.